Good morning everyone and welcome to a new video here at Sublime Traders. I'm Logical Orange and today we are going to talk about the current state of the market, which looks like an assault victim, extremely bloody, extremely unstable. Let's check the levels we have hit last night and look at what are the possibilities right now. So yesterday around noon I said I don't like the state of Bitcoin because it was really forming a bearish pattern around this area right here. Let's move to 1 hour and check it. Around this area right here, and at the same time we had a small increase in the volume. The order book seemed to be a bit hectic, and basically it was testing this legendary right here that we can see. So now we can also confirm once more that legendary trend lines have power in analyzing the chart. It broke down, then it went to the level I have seen first here. So it was based basically on a confluence point formed between the bottom of the ascending channel, the local channel that we see right here, the TS1, which is the trending support line 1 because it was the closest to the price at that moment, and the Fibonacci based support right here. So this was the area I thought Bitcoin would end dumping at. However, with the bear power, we managed to push down and we went straight down to TS2, even lower. We wicked down. However, wicks, we cannot really count on them because they don't last that long. And basically we are now just hanging barely above this TS2 trending support 2 right here, and also confluence point with S3, so S3 Fibonacci based support right here. Extreme dump from yesterday, in my opinion, kind of violent. This is also due to some news, some actual things that happened yesterday. Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum, taught a lesson to new traders and to token creators that create projects that don't really mean a lot, meme coins especially. So you all know that he has received half of the total supply of several coins like SHIB and AKITA and some others, and basically he sold part of them. By doing so, he decreased the price of those coins. Let's take a look at SHIB by all this. So all the people that enter around here in this area, because we have an accumulation area right here, well, they got kind of screwed up. They thought they were making some easy money because these coins tend to move a lot, but yeah, look at this result of investing in coins like this. I'm not talking, I invested too, I really did, but I did before it was on Binance, and on the first day on Binance I sold and I said goodbye, thank you, it was a nice ride. And when I did invest, I did my risks and I was prepared to lose everything I have invested, everything, and I wouldn't care if I did. Some people, however, they saw the social media exploding on them, and they thought, oh well, this is the next dodge, let's invest, let's hope. I really hope shouldn't be in trading, guys. Always have a backup plan. Don't invest everything you have. Prefer to go smaller steps. When you gain. Don't go high amounts. Back to Bitcoin. Looking bad right now. Looking really bad right now from a bullish standpoint. EMAs are crossed down, opening. Now this can close up. So the yellow EMA that we have on Sublime Absolute can go back up. For this to happen, we would need the price to go around this level right here. So TS1, once more, it is possible. We had a huge rejection week on Bitcoin right here, which is good for the current situation. I mean, we need to take the best of the current situation right now. Having a huge rejection week says that, okay, we have some buyer support right here. So bulls losing this battle right here. However, the war isn't yet over. You see that Bitcoin is really undecided. This pattern right here is so undecided, extremely undecided. In this channel right here, one would speculate that the logical way the price would go would be the upside. But because we had sell pressure around the high portion of this channel, well, as you know, the price goes to the path of least resistance, and in this case it was the lower side. It was the lower side of the chart, and well, yeah, this happened. So what next? Guys? Today I think we need to hold off on trades at least for half a day, at least until we see what's happening here. No longs, not shorts. Just let's sideline this. The trades that we do have open right now have large stop losses and are based on high time frames. Shouldn't be affected by the current moves. The price overall should move back. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily shows us a clearer picture right now. We are barely on the bottom of the channel, barely. But we have been before several times, 2 times to be more exact, in this formation right here, this channel. And if we prove that we can hold this level right here, well, this is perfect. We can continue to go higher to TS1, and we will close that dreaded EMA cross down to the upside with the fast EMA crossing the moderate EMA. I'm talking about the EMAs on the 4-hourlies. And of course, if we do this, we won't allow a crossover on the daily also, which is important. However, there's another aspect that we need to check in regards to the EMAs. Take a look at that squeeze that we have right here. We have been in a squeeze channel for some time. However, if you look at the last months, we see that an EMA crossover has happened so long ago. So the last EMA crossover was around here, 2020 guys. I mean, crossing down would be really bad. It can touch, but if it crosses, well, in this case this means the price goes down, of course. So price going down will drag the EMA, will drag the fast EMA, so the yellow line below the orange line, and crossing down would be, from an EMA standpoint, a bad thing. Of course, from the price standpoint also. However, I think that the fundamentals will catch up and will help this chart go back up. This can also be, I repeat, this can also be a good potential long on the midterm. We have a lot of percentages to cover right here. But as I said, unstable. So for at least today, we need to stay sidelined to watch what is happening. No longs, no shorts, please. No futures. Please don't trade futures today. Really unstable market. Let's watch and see what happens. We do have some survivors in this dump. Some coins that really weren't that affected. Not as affected as Bitcoin, let's say. Like BNB holding like a soldier. BNB holding strong. Of course, BNB is based on a real good project. ETH, well, it took a really small hit compared to what it could have taken. However, let's take a look at the Heikin Ashi formation. Heikin Ashi formation shows a potential reversal with what seems to be looking like a doji. It's not a real doji, but it can count as a reversal candle. Extremely dangerous in this formation right here, because it could possibly mean that we can go back down somewhere around here or even here. So 0.618 plus the EMA or the R2, so the resistance right here, Fibonacci based resistance. As I said, we need to wait. BTC raped, other coins of course raped, not even talking about SHIB, AKITA and the others. Today we need to wait. If I see any opportunity, I will let you know in chat, in strategies channel or the VIP chat. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me, and as always, have a great day.